Have you ever thought about the benefits of using a trampoline for your workouts? As surprising as it may seem, trampolines aren't just for kids. They introduce a unique, fun twist to your regular fitness routine. Imagine bouncing your way to better health and fitness. Yes, it's possible with trampoline workouts. They are versatile, easy to use, and most importantly, they bring a whole lot of fun to your daily exercise. So why not add a bounce to your workout routine? Now, you might be asking, why should I consider a trampoline workout? Well, there are multiple reasons to jump on this fun-filled exercise regimen. For starters, it's a low-impact exercise that's gentle on your joints, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a workout that's easy on the knees and ankles. But don't be fooled by its gentleness. A trampoline workout is a full-body exercise that engages every muscle, providing a comprehensive training session in just a few minutes. Further, it significantly boosts your balance and coordination. Each bounce you make on the trampoline requires a quick adjustment of your body position, training your balance, and sharpening your reflexes. Moreover, it's a superb way to enhance cardiovascular health. The constant movement increases heart rate, improving blood circulation and lung capacity. And guess what? It's also a fun way to burn calories and can support your weight loss journey. It's clear to see that a trampoline workout is not only fun, but also beneficial for your health and fitness. Let's dive a bit deeper into what a trampoline workout entails. One of the key features of this workout is its versatility. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a compact living room, a mini trampoline can fit right in, allowing you to bounce your way to fitness at home. The range of exercises you can do on a trampoline is impressive. Basic bouncing, jumping jacks, high knees, squats, the list goes on. Each exercise targets different muscle groups, offering a full-body workout that's also low impact, meaning it's kinder on your joints than many traditional exercises. Another standout feature is that a trampoline workout can be adapted to suit different fitness levels. Beginners can start with simple bounces, gradually incorporating more complex moves as their confidence and fitness improve. On the other hand, fitness enthusiasts can challenge themselves with high-intensity routines. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, a trampoline workout can provide a fun and effective workout that suits your needs. Are you ready to give a trampoline workout a try? Starting with a basic routine and gradually ramping up the intensity as your fitness improves is a great way to go. And always remember to prioritize safety. Don't hesitate to consult with a doctor if you have any health concerns. Fitness isn't one size fits all. It's about finding what works for you and what you enjoy. A trampoline workout might just be the fun and effective workout you've been looking for. So why not give it a try?